I just found the most insane free AI face swap tool, and I can't even lie, it is crazy good. The results are so clean and realistic. It actually shocked me. Watch this. I swapped my own photo onto another image, and then boom, and look how natural that looks. No blurry, no weird edges, just perfect. So you're gonna need to search for Higgsfield.com on your search bar, and then you sign up for free. And then after you're done, you come here to the image, then you scroll down to the face swap. So this is where we're going to concentrate on. As you can see, there are lots of features and lots of models that you can actually just choose from, but in today's video we are going to be on a face swap. So I'm gonna click right here, and then we're gonna come here to your photo, the photo that you want to use, and then on this one is the target image. So this is the image that you want to replace the face with. Okay, so on this example I'm going to use these two images, and then I'm gonna come here to generate, and then we've got the results right here. Look how beautiful the lady looks. So now we can actually animate this image. So we can just click here on a video. Okay, so we're gonna come here to the prompt. We're gonna paste the prompt that we want to use, and then we're gonna come here to the model. So you need to choose the model that is actually gonna work with the lip syncing. So I'm gonna go with Link AI, and then come here to the duration. Okay, I'm gonna come here to the Link AI, and then I have to choose the best model. I'm gonna go with this one, anyone is fine, and then comes here to the duration. So I'm gonna go with a 1080p resolution, and then click on generate. Okay, so let's have a look to the results. I'm gonna click right here. Okay, so we're gonna come here to the video, and then we're gonna click on lip sync studio. So this is the site that we're going to use, and then we're gonna use the very same video that we just got now. So we need to bring it into the platform. So I'm gonna come here to upload. So we come here to the audio side, and then we start with selecting the model. So I'm gonna click right here. Okay, so there are the models that are available. You can just click here and then select according to the emotions, the stream, the car talk, depending on what you are actually doing. So this one I just gonna go with the emotions. I just went with the strange young female, and then there is a stream if you are streaming. Okay, so maybe you are in the car, people are talking. So this is a conversation in the car, and then here is the conversation in a podcast, and then a conversation in a, so this actually a vlog. If you are doing vlogs, then this will be suitable, and then here is for forum. So there are lots of things, you can just go through them and then see which one is actually gonna be perfect for you. So I'm gonna go with the emotions. So when you are done, you can just come here to paste the speech that you want to use for the lip syncing. So I'm just gonna paste it right here, yes, and then I'm gonna click on generate. This it will be the perfect sound for my video. So I'm just gonna click right here so that I can just select it. Okay, so immediately after that it comes, you will see it will be right here on the audio, and then you can just generate on this one. Okay, so as you can see, it's already on progress, so I'm gonna just wait for the results.
Hi there, I've been testing this new AI video tool, and I'm honestly impressed. The detail, the movement, it feels so real.
So I actually used two different models since Link AI didn't give me the best results. I switched to lip sync to Pro AI instead, and wow, the difference is insane. The results came out super clean and realistic. Just take a look at this results. I'm so impressed. So this is the lip syncing video for the model Sync Lip Syncing 2 Pro. So this is the one that I actually use on this one.
Hi there, I've been testing this new AI video tool, and I'm honestly impressed. The detail, the movement, it feels so real. Imagine what you could create with it.
Okay, so this is the last one. I just want to do two extra examples so you can actually see how this works. I'm going to be using my own image, the same one that I used for the previous face swap results, and I will combine it with this futuristic woman image. Now take a look at this. These are the results. The image turned out so beautifully. The face looks exactly like me, and the details are super clean and clear, and the blend is perfect. All right, here is the second one, and now the very last one. I'm using these two images together so you can really see how powerful this future is. And wow, just look at that. The result is absolutely stunning. It looks so real and so clean. And this is honestly one of my favorite results so far. And when you are done, just click on that little arrow facing down to download your video. It will save straight to your computer or your mobile phone. So yeah, this tool is the next level. It's fun and realistic and completely free. Try it out and see how your own photo turns out. You'll be amazed. And if you love these AI tools, make sure to like, share, and follow for more quick tutorials just like this one. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.